Hey, wouldn't this be a quick unboxing here of an open box from Best Buy Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. This is how they are now doing their open boxes, which is really kind of I mean, they always used to give you the original box with these. I got 3 open box items today. This one, a Motorola Moto Edge Plus, which was in not good shape, and then a iPhone as well. But yeah, this is how they're doing these now, which is kind of Inside the box, I took this out because it has a little piece of paper with the IMEI and whatnot on it. But they have the phone wrapped up underneath this piece of plastic. And then it has a charging cable on it, which is not the original cable. This one is a braided cable, which is kind of nice. Let's see, we'll shut that on up. And then let's see. The phone itself here is a little bit dusty. All right, give a bit of a wipe down, and it looks really new. I mean, this phone did not come out too long ago. Yeah, no, this looks like it's in brand new shape. A lot better than the Motorola that I just unboxed from Best Buy as well. You know, this looks like a brand new phone, just a little bit dusty. And it looks like they got this phone, or they printed up the label and put it all in the box stuff on 3/28. It is now 4/21, I believe today's date is. So almost a month they've had this. So I am actually very happy with this one. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. So guys, actually after looking into this, trying to set up my SIM onto it, turns out this phone is not unlocked like it's supposed to be. This is actually locked to AT&T. As we can see right here, invalid card. I put in my SIM card for Verizon, and I get an invalid SIM card. So this is very disappointing. This is now 2 out of 4 phones I bought from them today. That is, well, pretty much not correct. This one is locked to AT&T, and I bought a 23 Moto Edge Plus that is missing everything it's supposed to have in its box, and is scratched up, and supposed to be excellent shape. Best Buy, what happened to you? Yeah, this is terrible.